This is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Out driving our 69 Chevelle SS. Cruising along about 60, running 3,000 RPMs. Those gas gauge reads full, sometimes it reads empty. There it tries to move. We either got a bad sending unit or we got a bad connection. So, typical on these old cars, we put a lot of sending units in and you'll put a new one in and it won't work. So it's a bad spot. See the radio, you can hear that in the background. The car drives great. It's got a lot of history on it. Previous owner owned it since '79. He did a ground up restoration in I believe 2007. Motor's got about 24,000 miles on the rebuild. And our actual miles, according to him, at 85,707. So kind of a cool car. It's in the SS 396 registry. He had it put in there with documentation. So hopefully he'll give me that. I don't have it currently, but I'm waiting for it from him. Very nice car, repainted. They did a nice job. Three minor flaws in it, but just a really great looking car. Running down here, that brake light's on because the emergency brake pedal stays down. We're going to get that looked at. I just got it in. Downshift into third. No power steering on this car. Got power brakes, but no power steering. But turns nice and sharp, so not a huge issue. We'll run through the 4-speed for you. Nice. So nice driving car, good looking car. We'll get lots of compliments no matter where you go. So if you're looking for a cool Chevelle that's very nice shape, give us a call, 605-695-7391.